Hello. I got my new Norwex car mitt.
Car wash mitt.
Car wash mitt. I got for something. Why'd you give me that? Oh, Father's Day. Yeah. So I just got all the bugs off the windshield. And I'm going around. I've washed this half of my car. But
His truck.
what I want to show you.
His fancy redone 86 Chevy square body.
This is the
Dry and buff cloth.
dry and buff cloth. I don't know what they're called.
So show them which side you dry with.
This thicker one, the poofy one.
And then the other side you shine.
So instead of waxing, we just use this cloth. And you can tell that spot I did right there. Window.
Dirty, clean. Cleans the window too.
So you get it wet, just so there's enough water, and then you got a secret to this is you gotta dry it while it's still a little wet. But it can't be too wet. So you gotta keep up with the...
And did you use any soap?
Nope, nope.
No soap.
I'm gonna go through and dry this side like a chamois.
Shines the chrome. Black paint looks like a mirror. Cleans the windows, mirrors. All he did was just spray it down with a hose to get the big pieces off and wet it.
Yep.
And wet the car wash mitt. And we're already done with half the truck.
So then I'll take this once I got the water off on the shine side and go back over the whole thing. So this is like putting a...
Show them up close to the shine side.
Okay, I will when I finish this bed side. That's the shine side. That's the wash side.
Dry side.
Dry side.
This is the car wash mitt. Has a fluffy side and a nubby side. I use the nubby side first to pick up bigger pieces. Then I use the fluffy side to pick up smaller pieces. And then the dry and buff cloth. Shiny!
There you go.
Awesome.
That's that side. Now I'm going to do the other side.
What do you think about it?
It's amazing.
Amazing. Everybody have a good day.